Hi guys, Aniq here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So what we have here today is this battery case holder. So what it is, it's just a black case right now, and what it's for is that you can store batteries inside it and like structure them. So nothing really much except the box. You guys can see it's like a fabric-ish kind of thing, and it has a zipper which is red, and there's a handle here to hold it with. So let's go ahead and open it. So in the box, there's a couple, so there's like a place where you can place things in here. It's like a pocket. And then it comes with a battery. It tells you the charge of the battery and if if you should replace it, if it has enough battery left, or if it's low. You can see that. And then here's the actual box itself. The box has a different spaces for different types of batteries. You have AA, AAA, C batteries, D batteries, and 9 volts and other things, so you can all put them in here and it would just be like completely fine. And so over here we have a couple batteries, so let's go ahead and sort them into this. So here we put in the batteries. So down here go all the AA's, and there's like this whole space here. Up here go all your AA's, over here all the 9 volts. You have your D batteries here, C batteries here, and more D batteries here. So in my opinion, I feel like it might be a little less space. Like you could probably fill this up really easily, especially with the D battery, since it only holds 6, and these can be used like a lot. Like for example, one thing can take 8 of them. So those can also be. And you have this, so you can just like put in a battery in here. So if we do it like this, negative on this side, I think, yeah. It'll change and it tells you that it does have battery, so it does move. And then if I take this out, it goes back to normal. This is also useful to tell if a battery is actually just working or not, or if it's your thing that's broken. So this is really useful. It's going to be useful to like organize your batteries and hold things. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel and remember to hit the bell icon. Bye.